It is day number 63 of the self-quarantine today here in Los Angeles. And I'm going to get started by talking about the situation regarding COVID-19 here in Los Angeles. So the number of cases and deaths are still rising. I am still doing all the numbers regarding cases and deaths every single day so I can show everyone in the world and in the United States what is going on here in Los Angeles and how we are looking at this. If the measures that we're implementing are working or not working. So far, they're working. There hasn't been any spikes, hasn't breaking the curve. So far, so good. But I will keep monitoring every single day. Something else that happened today, the USS Mercy actually left the dock of Los Angeles. It's going back to San Diego, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that was working in the USS Mercy. You helped us in the time of need. They were there late March helping all the non-COVID-19 patients because of the overwhelming numbers of the hospitals of people that were having the symptoms of COVID-19 and then were diagnosed with COVID-19. So Godspeed, USS Mercy, and I hope that you guys do a good job on your future endeavors as well. And then something else that happened later today that I also mentioned yesterday, it was the flyby by the Thunderbirds from the Air Force. Now, it did happen. It was on TV. You can actually see it on any video, any local Los Angeles TV report, and also on other social medias. Unfortunately, I didn't see it, or neither did my wife, who is an essential worker. We were waiting outside, very exciting to see the Thunderbirds, but they never came. They never passed by us. We never heard them. We never saw them. We only saw them from TV. And it could be a number of things. It could have been change of flight plans. It could have been that the downtown area was foggy, and maybe they didn't have enough time to go all over the place. It is what it is, but hopefully next time, I just want to give a suggestion to the Thunderbirds that if you do come, if you are flying by, please fly as much more time so everyone has a chance to see them, and especially essential workers. I was very disappointed. My wife was very disappointed that we didn't see anything. So it was awesome that everyone had a chance to see them, that they did see them, but for us, we were left out in the dark. But so far, that is what is going on here in Los Angeles. Moreover, I wanted to talk about the situation of what's going on here in the United States. So, like I said in my previous videos, and it's still true till today, that the United States still continues to be the #1 country in the world that has the most cases of the coronavirus and the most deaths because of the coronavirus, the COVID-19. Unfortunately, the numbers don't lie. We're looking at over 88,000 deaths so far in the United States because of COVID-19, and in the millions people that are getting sick because of COVID-19. But there is a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. Over 200,000 people have recovered so far. So that is a good number, but that just doesn't say the whole story of how much this COVID-19 is impacting not just daily life, the economy, and just how things are working around the United States, but it could also mean anywhere in the world. Something else I wanted to report on too is that today they announced that our neighbors to the south, Mexico, actually got the highest spike numbers so far regarding coronavirus. So over 2,400 people have been reported to have the COVID-19 just today on Thursday. So that is significant because the virus is just going everywhere. First, the epicenter was in China, then it went to Italy, all over Europe, then it started hitting the United States. Now it's looking like it's going to hit Latin America pretty hard as well. So far, we have to take every single precaution to make sure that we stop this virus and take those necessary measures from the CDC, the World Health Organization, and our local governments of telling us how to prevent COVID-19 and how to stop COVID-19. So that is so far what is going on in the world. So lastly, everyone, stay strong, stay safe.